Can you really make money with ClickBank? Make money with ClickBank can be challenging. During this unprecedented coronavirus pandemic, millions of people around the globe have lost their jobs. Today's going to be fun. I'm going to make a bet with you that if you follow the 3 steps that I will show you today and you really follow them step by step, you can make your first $100 with ClickBank and rank number 1 from Google. And if you don't get results, shoot me an email and I will help you out with your Google marketing for free. If you don't know who I am, my name is Jen Gua, founder of my Biz Breakthroughs. I teach everything about business startup that gives you the edge to set your own rule business lifestyle for you not to depend on anyone or anything when it comes to money making in the 21st century. So if you don't know already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification so every time I drop this kind of video, you'll get it. So let's dive into it. Here are the outcomes you will learn today. The pros and cons of affiliate marketing with ClickBank. You'll discover my 3 free simple steps how to make money with ClickBank and rank number 1 from Google. Way back in 2017, I launched a product with ClickBank as a product vendor. And during that time, some people already made their first sale with ClickBank following my strategies. So you will learn how to set your ClickBank payment account for free, how to follow the breakthrough rule in keyword planning using a free tool, how to write a blog post that converts. I promise it won't be hard to make money from ClickBank, but it takes time. All I ask, make sure to follow these 3 simple steps till the end and you will surely get the results you want. Ready? So first, let's talk about the pros and cons of affiliate marketing with ClickBank. So here are the pros, the advantages of affiliate marketing with ClickBank. First is it is free, easy to sign up, and get approval. ClickBank is a well-established reputation, a vast pool of digital products available to choose from, highest commission among all affiliate marketing or CPA networks. It is a great affiliate marketing management for beginners. Payments are quick and always on time. Have the ability to set a lower payment threshold compared to other affiliate networks or CPA networks. And here are the cons. Not strict in product approval for vendors. They put greater emphasis on quantity than quality. A lot of valueless junk or spammy products. A lot of competition for affiliates. High refund rate due to low quality products. Have a lot of phony product reviews. Normally, people sign up with ClickBank aiming to hit their jackpot. In most cases, people randomly choose a lousy product, run random traffic to it, disappointed, exhausted, and even getting their business website suspended by Google without seeing any results. And then they totally abandon the ClickBank platform. So let's be clear here. There's no such thing as easy money. You will not believe what you can get from ClickBank when you get started with your affiliate marketing correctly. So first, sign up with ClickBank. If you already have an account with ClickBank, then skip this step. You can open an account with ClickBank for free. I will not go step by step on how to sign up with ClickBank. Then once you already successfully open an account with ClickBank, log into your account from the ClickBank dashboard, go and click the marketplace. You will see these fine products. So all you need, just go and type here, Breakthrough Golden Secret. And then just click this search icon. So you will see here the Breakthrough Golden Secret. So hot brand new offer for 2020. And here you will see the average dollar per sale is NA. So all you need to do is just click this red button that says promote. Then you will see here the account nickname that you have created. And once you see it, just click this create hop link. So all you need is just copy this hop link because this is the hop link, your ClickBank hop link, where you will direct your traffic. In order for you to make a sale, if someone buy this product using your ClickBank affiliate hop link. Now, you need to test your hop link to see if it is working properly. After you copy your hop link, open a new browser and paste your hop link URL. You should be redirected to the Breakthrough Golden Secret ClickBank sales page. On your browser, check if your hop link, your ClickBank account nickname, is attached to the URL. So you will see the Breakthrough's URL, and then you will see here backslash question mark hop equals your ClickBank nickname. Now scroll all the way down until you see the Add to Cart button. Click the Add to Cart button. You do not need to buy our product, but we need to test it if your ClickBank hop link is working properly. After you click the Add to Cart, you will be redirected to the ClickBank Secure Checkout. Now scroll all the way down to see if your affiliate link was successfully reflected. Congratulations, you already completed step number 1. Now step 2, keyword planning. If you pick the wrong keywords, you'll find yourself with little to no traffic, or even worse, no sales. So let's find you the right keywords. I want you to head to Google Keyword Planner. If you do not have an account yet with Google, then you need to create one to access the Google Keyword Planner. This is a free tool provided by Google. Now, once you are already inside the Google Keyword Planner, I want you to click on the Discover New Keywords. Enter any of these keywords related to our product. Business startup, how to start an online business. Work from home startup, make money online startup. Best business startup. So this is anything about online business startup, alright? And then make sure your location indicate the 5 English-speaking countries like USA, UK, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia. Then click Get Results. Then click Download Keyword Ideas. You will see .csv. Click this one. And you will see your download report here. Click Open. Next, sort by descending the average monthly searches. If you don't see thousands of average monthly searches, that means there is no volume searching for those keywords on Google search. I want you to go through all the list of keywords that are related to our product and follow our breakthrough rule. So what we need is the competition. This is the index value. Look for 45 or less. Remember this, the higher the number, the harder to rank for. And then look for average monthly searches for 300 or more. And then you need to create a list of 100 keywords that follow our rule. If you cannot fill your 100 list of keywords, expand the list and find other related keywords. So for example, instead of using business startup, you can play around with your keywords like work from home startup or freelancers business startup or consulting startup. To get other related keywords, repeat the Discover New Keywords process until you complete your 100 list of keywords. Next, step 3, write valuable content. Writing your content, you must have your 100 list of keywords ready and your CMS, your content management system. Now, if you do not have a website, just go to WordPress. So this is the simplest and popular CMS platform to use even if you are not a technical savvy. With your newly found keywords, I want you to write an article. It is not hard to get 100 related keywords that you can include in one article, but you really need to use these keywords that will make sense to your readers. You probably won't able to naturally put all your 100 keywords when you're writing your first blog post, but you will get a hang of it through practice. Remember that you are writing this article for real people. We must have the empathy to understand and feel what other peoples are experiencing. Here are my 13 best tips how to write a blog post that converts. First is include your keyword in your headline. Use keyword in your URL slug. Use Yoast SEO analysis. Yoast is a free WordPress plugin. Include keyword in your Yoast focus key phrase. Include your 3 main keywords in your meta tags description. Use attention-grabbing title like How To or 5 Steps To. In your introduction, hook people with a bold statement like, do you want to learn? and also talk about what are you covering on the post. Use subheadings having 5 to 6 maximum paragraphs. Use bullet points to highlight your best information. Watch your key phrase density and provide value. Add images with your keyword in the image alt attribute. And link to other people's site that make sense to what you are writing. And wrap your post with a conclusion by ending a question so people will leave a comment. Once you install the Yoast SEO free plugin on your WordPress, you will see Yoast SEO guidelines when you are writing your blog post. This is where you will include your keyword in your URL slug and 3 main keywords on your meta description. With my example here, starting a business, consulting startup, and business startup. So our breakthrough rule here is get a smiley green color on our SEO analysis. Now, create a blog post, at least 1 post per week, using your 100 list of keywords. Our goal now is to optimize our content reach page to get organic traffic to generate affiliate commissions from ClickBank. The most obvious advantage if you follow these 3 steps and if you keep your good status as our affiliate partner, the effort you put in now will generate more organic traffic and sales conversion in the long term. So because we're giving you commissions on your entire funnel, 70% commission from our front end funnel, and then 70% commission from upsell number 1, 50% commission from downsell number 1, and 50% commission from upsell number 2. So all you need to do is to direct your traffic to the front-end product and the funnel will work for you. So following the best practices of affiliate marketing, including having an exceptional content-rich website and a relevant product to market alongside with it, the commissions from ClickBank are typically high, enough to make your effort very much worthwhile. So let's wrap this up. It's true that making money with ClickBank for affiliate takes time and work. But once you do this hard work for now, optimizing your blog post for Google search, you can continually generate organic traffic and most importantly, sales from this initial effort. Now, to attain your first sales with ClickBank, I want you to do this 3 steps 7 times. That means you can write 1 content per week and insert your ClickBank affiliate hop link on your article. So it's actually not hard, right? So within 7 weeks, you would have done your job. So will you accept this challenge? So leave me a comment down below this video and I'll talk to you soon. Jankoa here, your breakthrough guide to design your future.